What is the cost of the Google Project Management Professional Certification? Now, if you don't know what this certification really is, we have done several videos in the past. I'll share a link to all the videos, the entire playlist in the description below. So definitely check that out. But this question came in twice as comments: how much money Google is charging for this course and what's the total cost of Google Project Management Certification, right? So this is the question that we are tackling today. And to answer this, let me share my screen because it is not a straightforward answer. So this is the Coursera website. This is where the certification course is basically hosted. It's called Google Project Management Professional Certificate. Have you heard this one before? Project Management Professional. By the way, the reason I said that there's no single cost associated with this certificate is the fact that this requires 6 months of study. So it contains a 7 course series which Google thinks that you will be able to complete in 6 months if you spend about 10 hours a week. Right. So here's the 7 course series, right? Foundations of project management and then initiation, planning, whatnot. So everything is available here. And this is going to basically take 6 months of your time. Now, what's the cost? The reason I said there's no single cost associated with this certificate is the fact that in India, Coursera charges 1796 rupees per month. Obviously, the cost is going to be different for your specific country. So there's a monthly charge that Coursera charges. And what that means is if you're going to take about 6 months time to complete this course, it will be less than 12,000 is what you're basically paying, right? In Indian rupees for the Coursera membership and getting access to this certification that you should be able to complete. So that's the cost for this certificate. Now, if you compare this with PMP, obviously PMP is extremely expensive. So PMP for members, it costs 24,708 in India. And then if you are not a member, the full price is upwards of 50,000 Indian rupees. You should definitely check what's the cost of PMP as well as this Google Project Management, or I should say Google PMP, in your specific country. But here's the bottom line: Coursera is charging you on a per month basis and you are expected to complete the certification in about 6 months time. PMP is charging you a one-time fee that you pay upfront and then fill out the application and do the whole deal for that certification, right? When it comes to the comparison between the Google PMP and the actual PMP, it appears that the actual PMP is like 5 times more expensive than the Google PMP. So that's all in this quick video. If you have any questions, definitely drop them in the comments. I get back to all comments possible. And if your comment is something that can help others out, I will create a video on it just like this one. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.